We need a balanced diet with all nutrients in the right amounts to stay healthy. Do plants also need a balanced diet? Yes. Plants also need different nutrients such as carbohydrates, protein, proteins, and fats to stay healthy. Let's find out how a plant gets these nutrients. During photosynthesis, green plants make sugars or carbohydrates. Plants convert some of the carbohydrates to fats. Carbohydrates and fats are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. A plant takes these from water and carbon dioxide. Apart from carbon dioxide and water, plants also need large amounts of nitrogen for making proteins. How do plants obtain nitrogen? We know that 78% of the air has nitrogen in gaseous form. Some nitrogen is also present in soil as nitrogenous compounds. Can you guess the source of nitrogen for the plants? Although nitrogen gas is present in abundance in the air, the plant cannot use this form. Plants can take nitrogen only from the soil. This nitrogen plants take from soil is in the form of nitrogenous compounds that are soluble in water. When plants have absorbed these nitrogenous compounds, the soil is deficient in nitrogen. How are these nutrients replenished in the soil? You must have heard of farmers adding fertilizers and manures to enrich the soil with nutrients. Fertilizers and manure contain essential plant nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Adding these nutrients keeps crops healthy and increases productivity. But this is an artificial means of enriching soil. How is soil replenished in nature? These are microbes. All microbes are not harmful to us. Some are helpful too. This is Rhizobium, a friendly bacterium. It cannot make its own food, so it lives inside the roots of legume plants such as beans, peas, lentils, and other pulses. In the roots, the bacteria multiply to form structures called root nodules. In these nodules, the bacteria converts gaseous nitrogen into soluble nitrogen compounds. So, the plant provides food and the bacteria provide nitrogen in return. They enjoy a symbiotic relationship in which Both organisms, living in close association, are benefited by each other. All leguminous plants have such root nodules with nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Thus, leguminous plants act as natural fertilizers. Selecting these crops for farming saves the farmer from using added fertilizers. Lightning in the atmosphere during a thunderstorm can also convert gaseous nitrogen to nitrogenous compounds. These compounds are carried to earth in rainwater.